when people enjoy stationery, they know about paper. And so they have to take a leap of faith that we are the kind of people who are going to choose the right kind of paper for them. I was very, very fastidious about the quality of the paper and the board and the boxes. There's something about a weight of a paper, the way it feels, the way it folds. All those things I think are really, really important.
We knew people didn't write as much anymore, but when they do write, they want it to be more impactful. We're never going to persuade somebody who doesn't want to write that they should. That's not what we're about. We're for people who think that, oh, I'm absolutely delighted to find that somebody else or somebody is enabling me to convey my personality and my gratitude to that. For Lisbeth being an artist, whenever I used to come back from work, there'd just be loads more art. She's very prolific. We wanted to find a way that that art could be in more people's hands, and we felt that every illustration had an opportunity for a story to go with it, but we didn't know what that story was. So we wanted a website that would enable them to choose any illustration on any product.
And just have a sort of modern journey online with quite a traditional product.